Here we go! Here we go! Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tuscaloosa County, northeastern Pickens County, southwestern Fayette County, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gordo, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60
Holy
miles per
crap.
hour wind gusts.
Golf ball size.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashcraft Corner, Achola, Lubbock, Stonewall, Moores Bridge, and New Lexington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama,